Hi everybody. So if you are buying a home, what are the big ticket items that your home inspector should be looking at? The major things that we always talk about are water intrusion, because water intrusion can cause damage to your foundation, your roof, the framing of your home, etc. So water intrusion, the roof, and any of your mechanicals. So for example, right now I'm looking at boiler and hot water heater. You want your home inspector to take a look at these, the age of them, are they working properly, any leaks, any damage that they know. Another item would be the sump pump. So you want to have the home inspector check the sump pump, make sure that it's in working condition, because that is going to take water out of your basement. Also down in the basement, I feel like basements and attics are really the biggest items. So down in the basement, you're looking at foundation walls, the rafters above me, and that same thing in the attic. You're looking at the rafters as well. You're looking for any water penetration, anything coming in, any mold, termite damage, all of that kind of stuff. So you really want your inspectors to be looking at the big ticket items, things that are going to cost you the most money. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to walk through with you what you should be looking for when you tour a home.